The most basic stories are always the best.
Absolutely.
I mean, I work with a guy who's climbed the highest peak on every continent. Nobody in the audience can relate to him. When I talk to him, he's like swimming with sharks in Madagascar. I'm like, nobody's going to relate to you. But everybody peed their pants in first grade. Maybe it's because I used to be a teacher. I love those stories of your childhood. They relate to everybody, and we overcomplicate. And so there was a teacher, a first grade teacher, and she asked a math problem to the class. She said, okay, 10 sheep are in a pen, one hops out of the pen. How many sheep are left? And all the class got the answer except for one boy who kept on saying, zero, zero. And she finally looks at him. She's like, you don't understand arithmetic. And the little boy says, teacher, you don't understand sheep. Warren Buffett says, he calls it the three I's. You're either an imitator, you're an innovator, or you're an idiot. And I always tell people, nobody can be you better than you. You've been auditioning for you your entire life. Be you, tell your story.